What's good, y'all? It's your girl Nene back again with another video. Excuse my hair and everything, but so today I'm about to be doing a piercing video. My package came from Amazon today. I'm not gonna show that's like my address on there, and this is what came in there. So this is like the piercing and alcohol pad in here. I'm gonna open and show y'all, but it didn't come with no gloves or anything, so I'm about to use my own. I'm trying to get right into it because like I already tried to record it and it like no. So yeah, so I'm gonna put some hand sanitizer on because it didn't come with no gloves. It just came with, let me open it since I keep saying it. The piercing thing. I'm kind of getting scared. That's why I should have did it when I did the first video. The alcohol bag, then it's just like this, and then I gotta mark it with my own pen. So I'm gonna put on some hand sanitizer again, because yeah. So I already got one on my left side, so I'm gonna do my right. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this alcohol pad. I'm gonna wipe all this afterwards. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe the inside. Yeah, I was trying to be conservative because I'm gonna need this. I'm not gonna use that side. So I'm gonna need it. Okay, so I'm gonna sit that right there. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark it with a pen where I want my piercing. So I'm gonna try to line it up. Hold on. Yeah, I got it.
Why my pen not working?
Okay, well, that's how my little mark look. Okay. Okay. Well, I know I'm gonna just guide myself when I'm putting it on. So now what I'm gonna do is I need some type of music.
I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm about to put it in my ears. Okay, I don't want to copyright for anything, so. These nails pissing me. I'm so sorry.
I'm gonna be trying to listen to this one song. I'm about to open this now while I'm waiting for this. Oh, let me not do that because I forgot to watch the video. Okay, my song come on now. It's in my ear. I'm getting kind of scared. Okay, so let's show you. I'm having. Okay, so this is how it look. So I'm gonna go on right in and just do it, cause hold on. Okay, so I'm hold on, let me. Hold on.
But I'm gonna need all this space. But I can't be leaning all over like that, because
I'm scared. Okay, let me stop. Let me just go. Because I'm shaking. Let me see. Wait, is that even the right spot? Hold on.
shaking. You want this, so you can take this paint, okay? Okay.
Let me see this a better angle. Oh my god. I don't even know what to do right now because I don't want to block. I don't want to block where I can't see. Let me stop and just do this because this is pissing me off now.
Stupid thing. That's ugly. You're trying to procrastinate. Let me just. Okay, I finally got it. Okay. Now, let me get this done. Because you just left me. I'm about to piss my nose. Why? It just came in here.
It's no backing out now. It's not trying to go through. Oh. It's almost through. Woo! Oh, that shit just hurt it. Oh, nigga. Woo! I did that shit, nigga. There's no backing out now. Hold on.
Hold on, what? Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe.
Period. Get this video a big thumbs up because I just did that like a G, nigga. Hold on, what? Nigga, these motherfuckers from Amazon, these motherfuckers work, alright? So go get your shit. Ooh, I'm cussing too much, but yeah, nigga, period.
Big boss, I'm knowing